I'm going to explain the statement of the problem. Statement of the problem. The formulation of the heart of the thesis statement of the general and specific problems must be done after the investigator has clarified the rationale, identified the degree of seriousness of the problem provided by the literature review, and set the overall objective. The general problem of the study is stated in the first paragraph of this section. Writing the general problem in a qualitative study. In the book Principles of Qualitative Research Designing a Qualitative Study, Creswell and Clark, 2014, provide the following criteria in writing the purpose statement. 1. It should clearly express the purpose of the study. 2. It should include the central phenomenon. 3. It should use qualitative words E.G. explore, discover, and explain. 4. It should identify the participants in the study. 5. It should state the research site. General problem is the first paragraph in the statement of the problem. In writing a general problem, you must consider the following patterns. 1. Research design. Type of qualitative research. 2. Purpose of the study. To understand, to describe, etc. 3. Central phenomenon of the study. 4. The participants. 5. The research site. 6. General definition of the study. For sample pattern for the purpose statement is provided below. The purpose is of this narrative, phenomenological, grounded theory, ethnographic case is to understand, describe, develop, discover the central phenomenon of the study. For the participants at the site, at this stage in the research, the central phenomenon will be generally defined as general definition of the concept, Creswell and Clark, 2014. Example 1. The overall objective of this phenomenological study is to describe the interpersonal and interpersonal competencies of school principals and their relationship up to the school. Objectiveness in the division of Bataan of the school year 2001 to 2002. The result is used as a basis of a intervention program is to about 2023. Here, interpersonal is the school manager's own self, concept, and personality, while interpersonal is their communication and expressions in dealing with subordinates. Example 2. The objective of this ethnographic study is to differentiate the customs and tradition of the Aitas and the locals of Zambales enrolled in Olongapo National City High School for the school year 2014 to 2015. In this research, the customs and tradition are defined as the practice in the celebration of the feast. The general problem is followed by the enumeration of the specific problem. Those problems are usually stated as questions that the researcher seeks to answer. Therefore, the specific problem must meet the following criteria. 1. They must define the population and the samples of the study respondents. 2. They must identify the variables being studied, specifics. Types of research question. According to Creswell and Clark, 2014, 1. Central question, the most general question. 2. Sub-questions, the subdivision of the central question that specifies certain aspects of the problem to be studied. 1. Central question, the most general question. What is the meaning of / what does it mean to central phenomenon? Example 1. What is the meaning of interpersonal competencies? Example 2. What does it mean to differentiate the customs and tradition of Aitas to those of those locals? How would participants describe central phenomenon? Example 1. How would school managers describe interpersonal competencies? Example 2. How would the Aitas and locals of Zambales differentiate their customs and traditions? Number 2. Sub-questions. The subdivision of the central question that specifies certain aspect of the problem to be studied. What specifics are being asked in the problem? Example 1. What level of self-concept would the school managers engage in as a characteristic of interpersonal competencies? Example 2. What nature of practice do the Aitas and local Zambales engage in a part of their customs and traditions? Central questions. More general questions. sub-questions, more specific questions. Central questions are usually written first before the sub-questions. Reminder: general problems the first paragraph in the statement of the problem. Research questions are the questions following the general problem. Statement of the problem is the combination of the two. Examples of a statement of the problem. Example 1. Statement of the problem. The overall objective of this phenomenological study is to describe the interpersonal and interpersonal competencies of school principals and the relationship to the school objectiveness. In the division of Bataan, the school year 2001 to 2002, the result is used as a basis for intervention program. Festival 2023. Here, interpersonal is the school manager's own self, concept, and personality, while interpersonal is their communication and expressions in dealing with subordinates. 1. What is the meaning of interpersonal competencies? 2. How would school managers describe interpersonal competencies? 3. What level of self-concept do the school managers engage in as a characteristic interpersonal competencies? Example 2. Statement of the problem is to differentiate the custom. The objective of this ethnographic study is to differentiate the customs and traditions of the Aitas and the locals of Zambales enrolled in Olongapo National City High School for the school year 2014 to 2015. In this research, the customs and traditions are defined as their practice in the celebration of the feast. 1. What does it mean to differentiate the custom and tradition of Aitas to those locals? 2. How would the Aitas and locals of Zambales differentiate their customs and traditions? 3. What nature of practice of the Aitas and the locals of Zambales engage in as part of their custom and traditions?